There's very important pieces of evidence that we need when you come in, and that are easier to get at the very beginning before you've ever contacted a lawyer. First is the accident report. If the police have made a crash or an accident report, you need to get that, obtain that, and again, when you call the police, insist that they do a crash report. Number two, the sooner and the better, the sooner and the quicker that you can get good photographs or good pictures of all the vehicles involved, not just your vehicle, but the other vehicles as well. Oftentimes there may not be a whole lot of damage to your vehicle, but there is a great deal of damage to the other people's vehicle. So if you have a camera phone, take pictures immediately. If you have a digital camera in your car, take pictures immediately. Get those pictures at the scene of the accident if at all possible. Number three, it's important to get the name and identifying information like address, driver's license number, date of birth, and phone number of the other drivers, of all the other drivers involved in the accident. It's amazing to me sometimes when people come in to see me many months after an accident and they don't know the name of the driver. All they have is a piece of paper from the insurance company which says the insured's name. Well, oftentimes the insured is not the same person as the driver. So it's important to me and to you that you get me the names of the drivers of all the other vehicles involved in the accident. Third thing is you need to get the names, phone numbers, addresses, and other identifying information that you can do without invading privacy of all the witnesses to the case. Not just the people that are there and say that, that they're willing to testify, but the other people that are around that have seen the accident. Just one or two is not enough because oftentimes different people see different things that happen in an accident. They have different vantage points, different points of view. So it's important to get all their names, all their phone numbers, and their addresses and identifying information. Along those same lines, it's important that you get these witnesses' names and identifying information even when the other driver says, okay, I was at fault. Because oftentimes the insurance company may not go along with that. Another driver can't bind his own insurance company when there's been an accident. The insurance company gets to make their own investigation and their own determination as to who is at fault. Additionally, sometimes those drivers change their mind after everybody's left and there's no way to get witness information anymore. So if you've left the scene and then the other driver changes his mind, you don't have any witnesses and you can't prove your case. It becomes a swearing match, one side against the other. The last thing that you need to get, that you need to make sure and get, is the insurance company information for the other drivers. The name of the company, the policy number, and who the insured is. And preferably an address and a phone number.